Hi, good morning. Naliwat na maupay nga agay matanan. This is Sagat Words a Better Future Admin. So today, May 4, 2026, mag-unboxing ulit tayo at magawa ng thank you video. This is the third unboxing video na ginawa natin for today. Kasi kailangan na nating rumatsyada kasi meron tayong naka-schedule na turnover ng books para sa Ngulos Elementary School doon sa Giwan. I don't know kung meron talaga silang naanan doon na iayos na library na magdadagdag na lang tayo or ano yung nandoon kung baga parang reading corner, but kung ano pa man yun, we are going to send them children's book, so para madagdagan yung kung ano man yung meron sila. So we've decided to go first to Ngulos Elementary School kaysa doon sa ibang lugar kasi ito yung pinakamalapit sa mga target areas namin. Dahil na rin siguro sa mga business schedules ng mga admin both ng Sagat Towards a Better Future and sa partner natin na Bike Scouts E1. So again, this is the third box na in-unbox natin for today, and this is also the third thank you video for today, May 4, 2026. So ito yung laman ng kanina, dalawa yun na mini boxes na natin in-unbox at ginawa ng thank you video. So ito naman, look at this, diba? Ang gaganda. So as you can see, mga read at home, mga small na hardbound books yung mga nakuha natin. Ayan, no? Lahat to mga read at home. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So meron tayong 12 read at home na mga hardbound books for kids. Ayan, no? Ganda. So this thank you video is for Sir Edwin. Ayan po. Thank you very much, Sir Edwin, for sending these books. Tapos meron pa tayong apat na mga parang iba-iba 52 story tree house, lahat tree house. 13 story tree house, 26 story tree house, and 39 story tree house. So apat to mga tree house na books. Ayan. Ganda. Diba? Again, this is also a continuing book donation drive para sa mga community reading hubs or children's mini libraries or sa mga school libraries na pagbibigyan namin. So dito lang yan muna sa Eastern Samar, kahit actually lumabas na kami ng Eastern Samar months ago kasi nakapagbigay kami ng mga books doon sa Paranas Community of Readers ba yan? I don't know, I'm sorry, I forgot. Basta sa Paranas, din yun sa Western Samar. So again, we have 4 story books, 3 houses. And story 3 house. So ayan, 4, and we have again 12 read at home. Ayan, no? So that would be all for this third box in the thank you video. Again, thank you very much, Sir Edwin. So ayan, so dalawa yung camera na tinitingnan ko, hindi ko alam kung saan ako titingin. Again, damong salamat. Maupay nga adlaw ay matanan. Bye bye.